Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm DTDYL, a VTuber who loves to explore different worlds and meet new friends along the way. Today, I'm going to teach you how to install SideQuest on your MetaQuest device, so that you can access a whole new catalog of apps and games. This video is broken up into sections, so if you already know what SideQuest is, feel free to skip ahead. So what is SideQuest? SideQuest is a platform that allows you to sideload unofficial games and apps onto your MetaQuest headset. Sideloading means installing software that is not yet available on the official Meta Store. This way, you can enjoy a variety of content that is either experimental, in development, or simply not approved by Meta for various reasons. Some of the most popular games on SideQuest include Pavlov's Shack, Questcraft, and even apps like Paradiddle. SideQuest also has features like custom songs for Beat Saber, game backups, and even restore options. SideQuest is a place where you can get more apps and games for your MetaQuest device. You can unlock settings that were previously inaccessible, such as recording in full resolution. You can even sideload Android APKs. The team at SideQuest has created a place where users can access content that is not currently on the MetaQuest store. The SideQuest store is home to thousands of apps, games, content, and even custom home environments for your Quest. You might be wondering why you would want to use SideQuest when there are already plenty of games and apps on the Meta Store. Well, there are several reasons why. First, SideQuest can enhance your VR experience. You don't need to pay anything to access the content on SideQuest, and you don't need any special skills or tools to install it. Second, SideQuest gives you more choice and variety. You can find games and apps that cater to different genres, tastes, and preferences that you might not find on the Meta Store. You can also discover new and upcoming developers who are creating innovative and original VR experiences. Third, SideQuest lets you customize and optimize your VR settings. You can tweak things like resolution, refresh rate, field of view, and more, just to suit your preferences and improve your performance. Sure, some of the apps on SideQuest may end up launching in the Meta Store, but why wait? With SideQuest, you can install custom games and apps that aren't currently in the store. You can install mods and ports for existing games. You can backup and restore game saves and other data on your Quest. You can install emulators to play classic games. You can install custom home environments for your Quest home. You can even sideload Android apps for more options. So now that you know what SideQuest is and why you might want to use it, let's get into the installation process. There are a few steps involved, but don't worry, I'll guide you through them one by one. First, let's take a look at what we need to get started. You'll need your MetaQuest headset, a USB-C cable, you'll need a Windows PC or a Mac, you'll need the latest version of the SideQuest app installer on your PC or Mac, and you'll need the MetaQuest app on your phone. So the first thing we need to do is enable developer mode on our headset. This will allow us to install software that is not from the Meta Store. To do this, you need to go to the website below and create a developer account on the Meta website. Don't worry, this is free and very easy to do. So once you're on the website, log in with your Meta account. Click on Create New Organization and enter a name for your organization. This can be anything you want, so feel free to be creative. Next, you'll agree to the terms and conditions and click Submit. Now we're going to open up the Meta app on our phone. Click on Developer Mode and make sure to toggle it on. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is connect our headset to our PC or Mac. We'll use the USB-C cable that came with our headset, and once it's plugged in, we'll need to put our headset on and accept the prompts inside of the headset. There should be one for allowing USB debugging and accessing files from a trusted computer. Alright, now we are going to install SideQuest. The first thing you need to do is go to the SideQuest website and download the latest version of the app for your operating system. We'll select the Easy Installer and follow through the setup instructions. Once we make it through all of the instructions, we should get a green dot, and that means that everything is good to go. If you don't get the green dot, then there will be some troubleshooting options inside of SideQuest that'll walk you through how to get everything set up. Alright, congratulations! You have successfully installed SideQuest on your Quest device. You can now browse through the thousands of games and apps on the SideQuest app and install them with a single click. You can also access other features like wireless streaming, backup, restore, custom songs, and Beat Saber. You can even sideload Android APKs from websites like APK Pure. Currently, some APKs that I'm using in my headset are Discord, Twitter, Apple Music, and Game Pass. If you'd like a video on how to install Android APKs, please let me know below. Alright everyone, I hope this video taught you a little bit more about what SideQuest is, how to install it, and maybe even motivated you to check it out for yourself. If you have any questions or comments about SideQuest, as always, feel free to leave them below. If you aren't subscribed, make sure to click the button so you can stay up to date with my VR adventures. Stay tuned everyone, and see you later.